and welcome back to Podcapoy, the podcast for tired minds, where we just try to make sense of life one day at a time. Today, let's be reminded of slowing things down a bit and think of the quote, "Blessings never go to the wrong address." Actually, there's something na makalipay about knowing that what is truly meant for you will find you. Like, di good pugson, dili sabak, nga, wa nagdali, but at the right time. Mutuo mo anang blessings never go to the wrong address. Because me, mutuo ko. Maybe that's what we forget when life feels slow. Inaanad maguta nga magdali. Sometimes we think nga, pag nagani silence, lagi biyaan ko. Pag delay gani, lagi deny na nis ko. Sometimes we think na unanswered prayers were forgotten. But what if? Like, what if lang? What juga gi-ignore sa life? What if it's just simply preparing you for what you prepared for? So, does that make sense? What if it's simply preparing the space for what you prayed for? Kana. Because honestly, kung ako rin maghuna-huna, some blessings arrive quietly. Diba? Like, kailangan yun ba nga pag masulti ni mo nga blessed ka, dapat na ayo fireworks? Kailangan jud ba saba? Kailangan jud ba palakpakan ka? Kailangan jud ba nga kanang dramatic ang pag-abot sa blessings? To me, I believe man God sometimes blessings come as peace, 'di ba? As healing. As finally kanang makatulog na ka without taking pills or melatonin, or laughing again after a hard season. Or maybe it's just waking up in the morning and realizing, uy, or okay na di ay ko. Diba? Isn't that considered as a blessing? Like, we always think blessings look grand. Like, dakong kwarta, dagag kwarta, big opportunities, big moments. But sometimes, the biggest blessing is becoming someone who can finally breathe again. Kanang wala gani kaayo gihuna-huna. Kanang dili gani traumatic ang responses in everything, di ba? There are seasons in life nga where nothing is happening, di ba? Usahay, or if not usahay, most of the time, makaingon tas tong kaugaling word na stuck man ko. Yeah, every day is like a routine, same problema, same worries, same o ginakaon. But growth is often invisible when it's happening, di ba? Like, just because we cannot see any movement does not mean that life is not working in our favor. Example, kanang seed, di ba? Underground, it looks like nothing. But actually beneath the soil, something is already becoming. Maybe that's you right now, or me, or us. Maybe, kaning nga season, kaning 2026, dili ra siya empty. Maybe, 2026 is our rooting season. And roots are important. Because the higher life takes you, or us, the deeper your foundation needs to be. Char. Pero bitaw, one day, maybe, the things that confuses you, or us, or me, will eventually connect. Katong mga nanirado og pultahan, mga nagpa-delay sa imong plano, mga people, gibiyaan ka, gialipin ka, gipasakitan ka, or katong mga opportunities nga wala nag-work out. Maybe, nahimo lang to because katong na nga, you just need space, bigger space for better things to arrive. And maybe, ang tawag anak kay faith. Kana kung choosing to believe that maskin og nagkagubot o nagkagidlay na ang kinabuhi, something beautiful is still being written behind the scenes. Wow. Maybe dili siya kanagong najud sa stage, najud spotlight, but maybe naalang sa siya sa backstage. Because, emphasis, caps lock, bold, underline, blessings don't get lost. Moabot yun na sa imuha kung para na sa imuha. Your name is already attached to the things meant for you. The right people will arrive, the right opportunities will open, and the right timing will make sense. And what's beautiful about this? Actually, di mo kailangan ipugos kung unsa di para nimo. You don't have to force what's genuinely yours. You just keep showing up. Keep growing, keep becoming, na? Hinay-hinay, little by little, quietly, gently. And someday, you will look back at the version of yourself na kaning ikapoy, naghuwat, nakaarghuna-huna, overthinker. And makaingon na po kasi mong self nga, salamat. Thank you for not giving up. This is Podcapoy, a reminder that even slow seasons can still lead to somewhere beautiful. Good night.